Hello, and welcome to Rehab at Home with Medel. In our last episode, you met Trudy and her family. In this episode, we will hear about Trudy's early experiences learning to understand conversation with her cochlear implant. And we'll see an activity you can do at home to help.
When I had my cochlear implant, I started to notice the more relying on listening. They look really. Then it has gotten a little bit easier. The more I practice with my listening, the sound has gotten a little bit better, that to become more clearer. When I watch TV with subtitles, I learn to listen and follow the words dramatically. That's how I practice. Lots of practice. English, what color would you like to pick?
Blue, please.
I pick red.
You ready?
Yes.
Now, you can't look at my face.
I can't as well.
No, it's for Mum. Let Mum answer first. Australia.
Australia.
No, I don't have it.
Japan.
Japan.
Spain.
Can you start again, please?
Spain.
Spain.
I have it too as well.
If you once had good hearing, your brain will have a memory of what speech sounds like. And this makes it easier for you to learn to understand conversation with your cochlear implant. If you are like Trudy and hearing all of the sounds in speech for the first time, it can take longer because your brain has much more to learn. Either way, it's important to find a friend or family member who's willing to help you develop your listening skills. Trudy shared how Reese and Indy helped her develop her understanding of speech. And they showed us how to practice listening using the activity from the Medel Adult Rehabilitation Kits. You can download these for free from our Medel blog. You'll find a link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Medel blog to get all of the latest Rehab at Home videos straight to your inbox.